In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Webmail email account to Gmail. We're going to walk through the whole process step by step so that all of your messages from your Webmail address show up right inside your Gmail inbox. By the end, you'll be able to send and receive emails using your Webmail address without needing to log into a separate mail system. First, open Gmail on your computer using a web browser. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop, because some of the settings we need are harder to access on mobile. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want your webmail messages to appear. In the top right corner of Gmail, look for the gear icon to open Settings. Click it, then choose See All Settings. This will open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab called Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail lets you manage other email addresses. On this page, find the section that talks about checking mail from other accounts or adding a mail account. Click the option to add a mail account. A small window will pop up asking for the email address you want to connect. Type in your full webmail address carefully, including everything after the @ symbol, and click Next. Gmail will ask how you want to import emails. Choose the option to import using POP3, which is the standard way Gmail pulls messages from another inbox. Then you'll need to enter your webmail details. This usually includes your full email address as the username, your email password, and the POP server and port. You can get these server settings from your web hosting provider or control panel. Take your time here and double-check everything before continuing. You'll also see a few checkboxes. You can choose to leave a copy of the message on the original server, which is useful if you still want access through your hosting webmail. You might also want to label incoming messages from this account so you can easily recognize them in Gmail. Once those settings look right, click Add Account. Gmail will test the connection. If something is wrong, it will give you an error so you can adjust the server, port, or password. After that, Gmail will ask if you also want to be able to send mail as this webmail address. Choose Yes so that replies can come from your webmail identity. Follow the prompts, confirm any verification email sent to your webmail address, and save. From now on, Gmail will regularly fetch emails from your webmail inbox, and you can send and receive using that address directly from Gmail.